What if there was a way to celebrate your roots while lifting everyone up and bringing people together? That's Kwanzaa, a bright, joyful celebration filled with colour, music and togetherness. Let's find out more. Kwanzaa is a 7-day celebration of family, community and culture. It began in the United States over 50 years ago, but now people all over the world mark it to honour African culture and traditions. It takes place each year from December 26th to January the 1st. The word Kwanzaa comes from the Swahili phrase meaning first fruits. The language of Swahili is widely spoken in East Africa and also in African communities around the world. Many African communities have honoured the harvest of generations. Kwanzaa is a time to give thanks for the fruits the land provides and to come together as a family and community. Dr. Maulana Karenge created Kwanzaa in 1966 to bring African Americans together to celebrate their heritage and community. 7 days, 7 principles and 7 symbols. Kwanzaa celebrates a different principle each day. They are unity, self-determination, collective work and responsibility, cooperative economics, purpose, creativity and faith. You can find out more about them in our 7 Days of Kwanzaa video. These 7 ideas guide people to live with purpose and pride. Kwanzaa isn't about presents or spending lots of money. It's about celebrating who you are, where your family comes from, and the values that help people live and grow together. People decorate their homes with African cloth, colourful art, and fruits from the harvest. During Kwanzaa, families light candles on a special holder called a kinara. They might sing songs, tell stories, give small gifts, and have African drumming to dance to. On the last day, families often hold a big feast called karamu. The foods can be a mix of African, Caribbean, and American dishes. Kwanzaa reminds everyone to care for their community, to work together, and to enjoy their roots. For more resources all about Kwanzaa, head over to our website. Thanks for watching and listening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.